My name is Jerry Pickett. I'm a civil court judge sitting in Brooklyn Criminal Court. I was elected to the bench 5 years ago by the people of Bedford-Stuyvesant. I used to become so frustrated with what I thought that a good judge should be versus what I actually saw in reality. And what I very often saw when I was practicing in criminal court, I just saw that people were treated differently based on their income, based on their racial background, and I just felt that they were treated differently. And so what inspired me to become a judge is that I just wanted to be able to treat everyone the same, to treat everyone fairly, regardless of what their racial background was or what their class background. I went into law school late. Originally, I'm from Birmingham, Alabama, and I graduated from high school back in 1963. And so I came to New York on what you call a domestic job at that time. And when I first came to New York, I knew absolutely no one. And a domestic job is where they were bringing women, girls from the South. And so I graduated from high school in Birmingham. And after graduating from high school, my family was not in a position to really, even though I attended Miles College when we were all in Birmingham, my family was not in a position to send me to college. I put myself through undergraduate school. And I was actually in my 40s when I went into law school. And when I went into law school and after graduating from law school, it was not necessarily an easy task for me to become even an attorney, because after you graduate from law school, you still have to pass the bar examination. And I had to sit for a bar a couple of times before I was actually able to become an attorney. But I was always motivated, inspired, because even though I knew that my education background was not the best, but I was just determined that this is what I really wanted to do, and I was just consistent until I was able to obtain my goals. And the same thing when it came down to a judge. When I first ran for civil court judge, I was not successful. I came very close, but I was not successful. I ran a second time. I got even closer, but it was, I had not attained my goal. And so the third time is when I was elected.